The coaches are very approachable.
Fantastic, very good, professionals.
Opened my eyes, like it's opened my whole world to another level. I was so excited. I was like, these are things nobody has ever talked about or said anywhere.
They were very open with sharing information. So it was a very good experience learning and talking to them about my experience and what I can learn better.
Oh, they are very good, very professional, and they come up with a very a sort of presentation that everybody can relate to. Even for our beginners, we can understand it quite easily.
It's not, they just keep the course going boring. They keep it fun, so you don't feel sleepy, you don't feel tired, you don't feel bored.
Approachable and friendly, and they are willing to give their past experiences in trading.
Before joining this seminar, I don't know which stock I should choose, how to choose the fundamental of the company.
All the while, I don't know the knowledge of the stock market. In fact, all the while, I used to listen to my friends, the tips.
I buy at the high side and selling at the low end.
We don't have information and we don't know where to look.
I don't know what is the entry, when to enter, when to chop up, when to average up and when to average down. I always exit at the wrong price.
My biggest problem is fear. Fear of losing, fear of not knowing what it actually is. So that was my biggest problem. But now I don't feel scared. I feel confident that even if I get my hand burned once, at least I'm going to learn something.
Through that courses, I've gained knowledge on the stock market.
Now I can choose wisely on the fundamental of the companies.
There's very clear strategies on how to basically select the stocks, through fundamentals and also through technical analysis.
I've also learned how to see quarterly reports and also annual reports, which is important before you want to invest in any stocks.
Most of the info that Louis Yap and David Tong gave is not available online. Whatever available online is just basic.
Information in the internet, you can get mostly basic stuff, but sometimes you need experience on top of it.
Here, there are people who are patient enough to sit with me and explain it to me in an easier way, which I can understand. So it is worth every penny paying to come and sit for the course, because you are getting more, you are getting things you're not going to find online, you are getting way more help than online. At any moment you can ask anyone here and they would help you out with something that you do not know.
Team is person is actually have different profession, and then they have their own expertise. So this is what alone you can't do it. So imagine that if we want to invest, you have to do a lot of research. But with this team around, we can actually get information much more faster, and then we don't have to go for a long direction, but we can go for shortcut.
I would really like to tell the coaches that you guys are doing a really, really good job. You are doing a really good job. Keep up the good job, and it's really good. Some people in the circle that I have been in school, if I succeed, I succeed. I don't care if other people succeed. There are a lot of people's mentality like that nowadays. Coaches here, they are not selfish with knowledge. They know how to be successful, and they are willing to teach people. Please take the opportunity to learn, because this knowledge is going to help you in the long run. You might think, oh, I know it's not going to worth my time, or it's not going to worth the money, but I guarantee you, in the long run, you will be thankful that you came for a course like this.